There are four main social media channels for B2B companies: Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Platforms like Instagram are more visually focused, and high-quality images combined with microblog style copy tend to garner the most engagement there. Don't forget to add hashtags so your content can be easily found as well. Platforms like LinkedIn tend to appeal to a more professional audience, and links to industry news, best practices, and other helpful business-related content is often greeted with enthusiasm. A Facebook business page is a good outlet for this kind of content as well. Don't forget to mix in posts about your company culture and employees too. Twitter revolves around short posts and quick updates under 280 characters. Users look to Twitter for bite-sized information rather than long-form blog-style content. Hashtags are appropriate here as well.